In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in DaVinci Resolve. Outline text makes titles easier to read against busy footage, and with the Text Plus tool, you get precise control over thickness, color, and placement. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you can apply it to any project. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app and load the project you're working on. If you already have a text clip on your timeline, click it to select it. If you're starting fresh, open the effects library, go to Titles, and drag the Text Plus title onto your timeline. Place it where you want the title to appear, then select that Text Plus clip so we can edit its settings. With the text clip selected, look to the top right of the screen and open the inspector. This is where all of your Text Plus controls live. If it's hidden, enable it so you can see the options. You should see tabs for different sections of the title. We'll be focusing on the one specifically for styling. Inside the inspector, switch to the Shading tab. Shading is where Text Plus handles fills, outlines, and other layered elements. Each small numbered square represents a shading element that you can enable or disable for your title. Click the second square, labeled with a 2. This selects Shading Element 2, which we'll use for the outline. Check the enabled box so it becomes active on your text. Using a separate element for the outline keeps it independent from your main fill, which is important for clean results. Next, change the appearance for this element from text fill to text outline. It's typically the second icon in the appearance row. Once you switch it, you'll see the edges of your characters pick up an outline instead of a solid fill for this element. Now set the look. Under thickness, drag the slider until the outline is the width you want. A subtle outline can add polish, while a thicker stroke boosts legibility on complex backgrounds. Choose your color in the color box below. High contrast choices like white or black usually read best, but feel free to match your brand colors. Finally, enable outside only. This makes sure the outline sits around the letters rather than bleeding inward and covering your fill. It keeps your text crisp and prevents the outline from muddying the interior color. That's it. Adjust thickness and color until it feels right for your footage and you're done. With Text Plus in the Shading tab, you have a flexible, professional-looking text outline in just a few clicks.